Well, my viewers, this is my friend style on the main. Me I put up on it, man. You see yourself. Come here, chef, hide from the camera. Yes, well, my viewers, this is in Ochi. So when you come at Ochi, you can look for foreigner here. Fry up the fritters them and the fried fish, rice and peas, and other body chef support here. So you want good food to eat, come a Rasta. Yeah, the rest of people them not like him. Yeah. That must say viewers, 1 hour me I do. What have viewers? Yeah. Me I put it on YouTube. Me nah go video yo. Yeah. Me a Rasta, me I put up on it. When me done, me I do it right now. Yeah man, see you must serve up the fritters there. Yeah, when you come here you can get the fritters man. When you come at watch it for the holiday, yeah, in Christmas. Buy up the fish them from Rasta car. Yeah, Rasta say cook. Yeah, Rasta say cook. Rasta say straight coconut milk. And him not get no knock off coconut milk in him food. Yeah. Yes, my viewers.